mates, welcome back. Crypto Lover Trading Group. A little after 9 a.m. Bitcoin 44,000. Back to 44,000. If you've been following this channel for more than a blink, and you've been following the mates in the Discord, you know we've been talking about this level for weeks. Even when Bitcoin was 36, even when Bitcoin was 35, even when Bitcoin was 38, even when Bitcoin was 42. Because it's such a critical level, mates, okay, to break out of the continuation pattern that we've been in really for the last 4 months, 5 months for Bitcoin. Independent of the swings and the pumps and dumps, okay? It's still a pattern, all right? We've been in this continuation pattern for months. And in order to break out of this pattern, we need to get back to 50,000. And we can't do that if we don't finally break through 44,000 and hold it. Flip 44,000 from resistance to support to take on 46 and then 50 and then 54. That's just the crux of it. That's where we're at. Is it going to fail? Is it going to work? You know what? It's just Bitcoin. Anything can happen. We've seen it in the last week. National news, international news, Ukraine, sanctions, anything, Fed rate hikes, anything can change the trajectory of Bitcoin. We've seen it so many times, which is why you need to take the precautions and follow the method that you have in place. Hedge your bets, okay? Straddle trade your Bitcoin, whatever it is, to protect you and protect your profits, okay? Unlike everybody else who's going to get wiped out again if Bitcoin goes back to 38, okay, because they basically jump back onto the bandwagon and we're buying Bitcoin at 43 and 44,000 today. Oh, well, that's just what happens. They'll get shaken out again. But where are we at with Bitcoin right now? 71% mates are now back in the money today. 15% of active addresses are at the money. 14% are out of the money. This 15 number is as big as it's been in a while, okay? Because that 42 to 44,000 Bitcoin has a significant size bubble on it on your in and the out of the money, okay? That metric that you want to start to use, okay? Because it identifies significant supply and demand barriers in the chart, in the market that people pay attention to. And you use that to trade off. So where we are with the 721, obviously we broke through 42,500 level. That was the 7-day. We broke through the 40,500 level, which was the 21-day. Bullish momentum all the way across the board. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Okay. But look at that right there, mates. 78 on the RSI already. Last time we got above this level, we went down. Again, touched the 70 level, went down. Okay? We finally on February 7th got to above 80 and then finally went all the way back down to that level. So that's how you look at it. Use your RSI levels to determine, okay, is Bitcoin going to continue her trajectory to 46? No, probably not. Right now, she's going to have some sellers come in here. Or what can happen? She can level off at 44. We want her to stay above 44,000, but she might not. She may drop to 43,000. But if she stays above these 7 and 21 day moving averages, that's wildly bullish compared to where we've been. Okay? Look, we were below our 7 and 21 day moving averages all the way until here. And then again, crossed it here, fell back here. All right? So that's really what you want to pay attention to. But you get this to 80, and we're close to it right now, I'm going to flip over to an exchange, and I'm going to buy a sell down Bitcoin at like 3x leverage and let it run. It's a hedge against my Bitcoin that's up. If you're on Twitter, you can follow in. We'll post up today's returns from Bex Plus, and you can see how much it's up. Remember, entry at like 36 and 38 is now 44,000, mates. And even if you were at 1x or 3x, that is a crazy, crazy sick return for Bitcoin. So don't let the exchanges take your money from you, okay? If they start to sell this thing down, use your hedge, play it smart, capture your profits, straddle up.